Yo, what is up guys, it's your boy Ricky Win here and we're back again with another video. So right now we will be talking about the Marblex joins Finisha as a member of Finisha governance. So right now, this is another partnership between a Marblex and Finisha. So Finisha, kung di nyo pala alam guys, pakita ko sa inyo. Finisha is a validator. So Finisha is a public mainnet that is successor to Line blockchain. Ibig sabihin, pag sinabi natin successor, ibig sabihin there is an existing before. Yun nga, yung Line blockchain natin but is right now Finisha, no? So kung di nyo alam, Line blockchain natin. The Finisha aims to become the world #1 blockchain ecosystem, leading the popularization of Web3 and securing over 1 billion users. Finisha is a public mainnet that is successor to Line blockchain, independently developed and operated since 2019. Starting from the third generation mainnet Finisha, the Finisha Foundation has taken over million and vision of Line blockchain while continuing to move the industry forward. So kung makikita dito, Finisha objectives natin, if you guys wanted to research about Finisha, but basically yun nga, it is a blockchain din. It's a blockchain ecosystem that is aiming to yet again wants to be the world's #1 blockchain ecosystem. So lahat naman, I think, lang mga blockchain ecosystems aims to be the #1, no? But again, humayin natin Finisha, there's another partnership that Marblex was able to pull off, no? So it's a partnership between the two of them. So basahin natin yung announcement nila. The Finisha Foundation has fully transitioned to a consortium structured to become the public blockchain and is actively seeking out validators that would participate in the POS-based governance. So ano nga ba ibig sabihin ng POS-based governance natin? So POS-based governance natin is a proof of stake based na governance. Ibig sabihin, they are seeking out validators. Ano ibig sabihin ng validators? So kung papakita ko sa inyo dito guys, they have this Finisha blockchain scan. Kung makikita dito, this is the Finisha mainnet. Kung makikita dito, we have the governance. They wanted to have this voting ng contribution natin. They wanted to have this governance natin, yung proposal natin between the ecosystem that they are holding and staking natin. Kung makikita dito, since Marblex is now a partner with them, kung makikita dito, we have the Marblex and 39,000 Finisha yung naka-ano sa atin right now, naka-voting power natin. Ibig sabihin, ito yung Marblex wanted to be part of the validators na ating Finisha mainnet or ng Finisha natin na ecosystem. Since Marblex, alam naman natin, they wanted to have yet another community to be holding on, no? So kumbaga, they wanted to reach out a lot of communities and blockchains para dito sa kanilang war project, which will be tackling on our next video again. So kung babalik tayo dito, as such, Marblex has officially joined Finisha in light of the recent announcement of the Finisha Governance 2.0 and the formation of a consortium. As part of FGM, Marblex will cooperate with Finisha towards the common interest of fostering the mutual growth of both ecosystem moving forward. So right now, Finisha is, or actually Marblex is looking forward for the help of the Marblex community to delegate Finisha on this one. So kung makikita dito, if you guys have an account, you guys can delegate tokens that can help Marblex na magkaroon ng mas mataas na voting power here. And kung makikita dito, staking to guys. So staking natin dito is 12.36 yung APR natin. So you have APR natin, or yung nakalagay dito, pero APR yan. APR is the annual return natin when it comes to proof of staking, no? So it's a term for like the percentage that you are getting from the ecosystem when you're proof of staking, no? Sa proof of staking natin. So given its established position in the Web3 gaming market, the Marblex team has decided to participate as a governance member in compliance with one of the requirements that specifies the ability to contribute to the Finisha ecosystem through node operation. So kung makikita yun, the team has decided to participate as a governance member. Kung makikita nyo dito nga, nakalista na tayo dito sa governance members natin, and kung makikita dito, we are holding 39,158 Finisha as Marblex na ecosystem natin. In order to smoothly transition into the Finisha Governance 2.0, enable node staking, Marblex plans to host an event that configures the delegation commission fee to 0% for delegation users. Ibig sabihin daw, if you guys are delegating doon sa ating site na pinakita natin, meron kang commission fee to 0. Ibig sabihin, matatanggal yung commission fee mo doon sa mga nag-delegate. So ibig sabihin, kapag nag-delegate ka dito sa proof of stake natin, wala kang matatanggap na commission fee. Ibig sabihin, it's a free stake, no, sa ating POS. So go to Marblex validator site, which is ayun nga, both parties plan to engage in collaborative efforts that could mutually benefit their ecosystem in a healthier direction. So basically, yun lang information natin that we are holding right now about the Finisha mainnet. Finsha mainnet is interesting. Actually, hindi ko pa narinig ang Finsha mainnet. That's why I don't have enough information about this. But we will be researching about this in the future. Pero makikita dito, ang annual reward rate natin is 12.36 dun sa mga nag-hold ng tokens natin. So basically, Marblex is part of that APR. Yan, annual reward rate, pero APR din yan basically. ARR lang yung tawag nila. Yeah, thank you guys for watching this video and I hope that you guys learned something. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye!